question that Rocket Singh had was, should he invest in EPF? How will it help him create a retirement corpus? Now, the first and the most important thing about EPF is that the contributions from your salary are automatically made each month towards this investment. You don't have to do anything about it. So it ensures that there are fixed and regular savings happening for you. And secondly, EPF is a risk-free debt investment option where your money is invested with the government of India. So you know that your investments are safe and you're also generating high returns from it. Currently, the returns that you're making from EPF are at 8.5%. So it's a great investment option. Along with these three features, the investments that you're making towards EPF are tax-free. That is, the amount that you're contributing towards EPF, that's employees' contribution, you get a tax deduction for it. The interest that you earn from EPF is tax-free, and the amount when you would withdraw on maturity would also be tax-free. So EPF as an investment fulfills all the four criteria that you would have when you're making an investment. It's risk-free, giving you high assured returns, and is tax-free. Let's see how the retirement corpus of Rocket Singh will look like, where he continues to contribute 12% of his basic salary towards EPF with an increment of 10% in his salary year on year. As we can see that, of course, his corpus is increasing. When he started, he had contributed around 1,44,000 in his first year, and by the age of 30, the corpus would grow to 1.61 crores. And at the age of 50, his corpus would be around 5 crores 20 lakh rupees. If he sticks with the contributions at the age of 60, that is on his retirement, he would have a corpus of 17 crores. Now, this is the amount that he can retire with from EPF. So it is a huge corpus that he would get on his retirement, which will take care of most of his things post retirement. You can also compute what will be your retirement corpus like using the tool Calculate Your EPF Corpus. In this tool, you have to just input your current salary, your current age, your retirement age, and how much you're contributing from your salary towards EPF. You're doing 12% or the minimum of 1800. And the tool will reflect your salary at retirement and what would be the EPF value at retirement, given the rate of interest of EPF as 8.5%. So where and if there is any change in the interest rate of EPF, you can come back to the tool and see how your corpus would change. So your EPF can be a great investment option for you because it's risk-free, tax-free, and gives you a huge retirement corpus where you continue to invest in it consistently and 12% of your basic salary.